Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzie and today we're going to be talking about the coolest dollar store DIY bowl. And I actually use it in my entryway, but you could use it on your mantle. There's so many different ways you get to use this bowl. And so I'm excited. I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can honestly do this. And so let's jump straight into it, okay?
So what we have here so far is all of these things I'm already put together, sort of, just to show you. But this is what they're going to look like painted. I have 3 options. So we've got this one, and this one. Okay, so the options here, and the reason I did these 2 like this is so you can actually put them together and have them be a little varying heights together if you wanted to put them together. So I'm going to run through what these are. So this is a floral garden dish, and it's a plastic little thing you're going to find at the dollar store. I believe they're obviously made for terrarium type things. And then we have basically it's one of those vases you can put candles in. Really easy to find at the dollar store, and we just set it upside down and we're going to put that on. So we're going to take the stickers off and everything in a second, but I just wanted to run through everything that we've got. So we've got another one of the garden dishes, and then we actually just have a regular drinking glass. So this one is kind of a new one that I'm going to be doing today. I haven't tried it yet because I thought the varying heights would look really cool. So, and then this is the one I actually have on my entryway right now. I really like the detail of the bowl, and this is literally all it says is bowl. So, very descriptive for you. Then it's another one of those vases. So again, we're gonna glue these. Make sure whenever you're gluing, I'm gonna be pushing and lay something here so that it holds it to it. But yeah. That is essentially what we're going to do. Now, I am going to work on gluing them, and while I do that, I have a really fun little story that I'm going to share with you guys, just because, what the heck, figured it would be helpful for some of you gals out there that, you know, try to be cute in the world and try to be dress cute. And I went to this golf tournament last weekend, you know, trying to be a good wife. I don't care anything about golf personally, but I was trying to be a good wife, and so I went to this tournament and tried to look cute. Well, let me just say, I tried to look cute, really backfired in my face, because hey, we get there, it is 99 degrees outside, it's horrible, heat, sweaty, and here I am in my cute little pair of shorts and my bodysuit. Yeah, you heard that right, bodysuit. That, of course, they're so in these days, I just decided, oh, he's so cute to wear, and you know. Well, you don't plan, again, for having to go to the bathroom in these bodysuits, so I really had to go to the bathroom as soon as we get to the tournament. Well, I thought there would be bathrooms. Again, silly me. So I figure out once we get there that they only have porta potties. So let me tell you, I'm dreading going to this porta potty and having completely undressed, because as you know, ladies, you literally have to get undressed while you go to the bathroom if you're wearing a bodysuit. It's basically like a onesie for you guys out there that a baby wears. So with pants over it. So you're gonna have to take the whole thing off. So imagine that. I'm there, you know, got my little side purse and sunglasses, and I do my business, whatever. And catastrophe strikes. I drop my sunglasses on the porta potty floor. Again, if anybody has ever been in one, those floors are disgusting. And I contemplated just leaving them there, because I did not think I would ever be able to get the amount of germs off of them. But I picked them up, I bathed them in some hand sanitizer, and I went on my way. So moral of the story is, ladies, don't wear a bodysuit to a golf tournament. And I know it seems silly, but you know, when you try to be cute, don't. It's really the moral of the story. Okay? All right. So that's my little story, my little tip of the day from Lizzie. And now let's get cranking on these. All right? Do is the taller one, and we're going to start with this black Rust-Oleum, and this is a flat black, okay? All right, let's get started. Our finished product. So essentially what you can do, I mean, the sky's the limit kind of with how you want to decorate these. I have just put these in. I wouldn't have both of these in, so like personally I would decorate this with like some, I don't know, you could get something decorative to lay in here, and you know, the same thing, like if I were to put these, use this one, I would maybe either get the black ones of these, or you could spray paint those, but I love the contrast of colors like on here. I think this is really cute, and so you kind of just have something that looks really pretty, modern, and expensive for, honestly, each of these things was $1, so less than $10. You know, you've got to buy the spray paint and the super glue, and you know, you've got under $20 for a craft. So it's really cheap craft, but it looks great. You can put this like on your mantle, or like I did for my entryway, and I've got these sitting in my bowl. It's a white bowl, and so you could really dress these up any way you want. You could put a candle in here, like, you know, I just think you could do any kind of decorative ways with it. My cousin actually makes these, and so I will put the link below where you can buy these from her at, because she made this one for me and I love it. She can do all these different colors and custom anything orders. So yeah. And here are some bloopers. Enjoy!
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie, and here we go. Hi everyone, my name is Lizzie, and stop looking at yourself. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe below for more home decor tips.